When you want to do any serious crypto research, you need to use the best tools on the market. Here are the 15 crypto research tools that will help you make the right trading decisions. If you're using the wrong tools, you're probably making the wrong decisions. The first one on the list in no particular order is Number 1. Lunar Crush. There is no gainsaying that most people got to know or hear about cryptocurrency through social media platforms like Twitter, Reddit, Google Search, Instagram to mention but few. What Lunar Crush uses is machine learning, artificial intelligence to listen to the crypto communities in terms of what is being tweeted, links being shared, likes on posts, and Google search volume, in fact social media engagement generally about different cryptocurrencies. This data, i.e. all the information, is then presented in an aggregated manner to give you a top-level overview of what the social sentiment really is for different crypto projects. This will of course have been more than enough for any would-be investor to make a decision about whether any coin is worth his or her time or not. Lunar Crush has developed two proprietary scores in-house, namely Galaxy Score. This measures the crypto against itself when it comes to community metrics gathered around the web. This is used to gauge the overall health, performance and quality of a project. The overall Galaxy Score combines the total score for four major performance indicators, which is based on moving averages, and they are: Price Score, which tries to evaluate the price of the coin whether is performing well over time. Each of the indicators is based on a total score of 5. The second of the performance indicators is Social Sentiment. This attempts to measure the average social sentiment of a coin in relation to the price and social posts. The third one is Social Impact Score, which is the social depth, which combines the volume of mentions and the number of interactions. Volume of searches, likes, retweets, essentially this embodies the awareness of a project. Finally, a correlation rank is used by the algorithm to determine the correlation of all the social data to the price and trading volume of a coin. All of these are then combined together to give the Galaxy Score for a project. The second proprietary metric is Alt Rank. This basically looks at a project's price performance relative to Bitcoin as well as community activity. Number 2. Messari. This is a crypto data aggregator that helps you scout those hidden gems to add to your portfolio or adopt a data-driven approach to help you make better trading decisions. You can filter data in countless ways with Messari to enable you drop or pick a coin in a more data-driven approach. You have the option to see what is trending to be able to evaluate them. This allows you to sort coins by a comprehensive range of different statistics, like sectors, coin categories, social media statistics, and a whole lot more. With Messari, you can find all the smart contract platforms if you want, or all the stable coins as well. You can also filter with market cap not more than say 12 million United States dollars, so that you are able to narrow down your research around this criteria. Messari builds a list of what they called the 10 most trustworthy exchanges in crypto and reports transaction volume from these exchanges separately. This is done in an attempt to cut out wash trading volume seen in the crypto space once in a while. Number 3. Glassnode. This is that one tool you need when it comes to on-chain market data, i.e. on-chain market indicators for Bitcoin or Ethereum. This covers data for stuff like exchange inflows, outflows, number of new wallets and active ones, new addresses. Talking about the number of new and active addresses, this gives you a top-level overview of the growth of crypto markets, as a lot of new addresses is probably a solid indication that newbies are jumping in. All that helps you generate a better macro perspective of the current state of crypto markets. Glassnode makes available 3 conceptual and actionable metrics to give insights into the market. They include Glassnode Studio, a live on-chain data explorer with visualizations of the most fundamental on-chain metrics. Metrics, the most comprehensive library of advanced on-chain metrics across a range of assets. Glassnode Insight. This is contextualized and actionable market insights, reports and analyses drawn from on-chain data. Number 4. Skew. This tool is particularly useful if you want to dabble in exotic crypto instruments like futures and options. It is also home to detailed DeFi statistics too. By DeFi, we mean decentralized finance. So, if you are an advanced trader, like crypto asset managers, hedge fund and OTC desk, or looking to dabble into DeFi, futures and options, then you can check SKU out. Number 5. Sentiment. This tool is for all crypto traders out there. The tool basically combines on-chain, social and development data together for over 900 projects and delivers that in an easily digestible way. So, one use case is to help you spot exit opportunities by identifying big spikes in social activity. If everyone is quitting, i.e. dumping a coin, that is an indication for you to act and follow the trend, especially for a coin that is not so supported by fundamentals. You can also get alerts sent directly to your phone if there is a huge surge in social activity of any coin you are interested in. It's a tool to help you analyze the crypto market and help you locate those data-driven opportunities. Number 6. CoinGecko. If you are considering an alternative to CoinMarketCap, then you might want to check out CoinGecko. The site offers pretty much everything that CoinMarketCap has to offer. However, it also sports a user-generated sentiment poll for every crypto. On top of that, more detailed social statistics are available for each project and detailed developer data. You can get cryptocurrency prices, market overview, and analysis, such as crypto market cap, trading volume, and more. With CoinGecko, you can browse cryptocurrencies that have recently been added. There is a user-generated sentiment poll that's pretty useful for working out how people feel about a coin on any given day. CoinGecko also has more detailed social statistics for the likes of Reddit, Twitter, Facebook. With all that information combined with market cap data, you can get a better feeling for a coin. You can also check up what the developers have been up to with developers' data made available. One of the cool things about CoinGecko is, when a coin is suspected of wash trading, they are removed from their ranking. Number 7. CryptoPanic. Researching coins and keeping up with the latest news can be time-consuming. This tool is a crypto news aggregator that crawls through reliable news websites and other sources like social media. This is super useful as news does impact crypto prices, and understanding why a coin has made a big move can really help you learn what to look out for in the future. With news made available through CryptoPanic, you are able to know the reason why the coin you're holding has suddenly started blasting off. Number 8. CoinMarketCap. Knowing what events are coming up for a project can be critical for price. So, how do people know what's in the pipeline for a cryptocurrency? This cryptocurrency calendar tells you about all the upcoming events for that crypto project you might have interest in. It's a community-driven site and events are validated by the community, so if there are any fake events there, they're going to be downvoted. So it's important to keep an eye on that aspect before acting on an event. Number 9. CryptoMizo is a tool that shows you the number of commits that have been pushed by each project. This gives you a rough indication of how hard those developers are working. Why is data or information about a developer project important? You will agree with me that, if there is no project going on, it's hard to profit from the investment. Unlike CoinGecko, it showcases data about project developer in a more digestible way. With this tool, you are able to see how many commits are pushed in relation to each other. A commit is referred to as the agreed changes made to a project source code. If there is a coin that its developer rarely pushes out project, this might be an indication that the coin needs further analysis before a decision is made on it. Number 10. CoinDance. If you are interested in macro crypto data like hash rate, fees, mining breakdown and more, then you might consider checking this tool out. Another neat feature is seeing country-specific breakdowns for local bitcoins. Here you can get a gauge of how BTC adoption is going in some parts of the world. One of the things you can achieve with this tool is that it gives you information about how crypto adoption is going on in specific countries. Local Bitcoin data is broken down by countries. By this, you are able to know which countries are adopting crypto and which are dumping it. A case at hand is Venezuela. There has been a surge in the adoption of cryptocurrency right there as more people are turning to crypto as a store of value because of the inflation plaguing the country. Number 11. Altcoin Season Index. This tool helps you work out when it is an optimal time to be in altcoins and when you might want to be in BTC to preserve that Satoshi value. It helps you to know when to swing between Bitcoin and altcoins at the right time, as that will definitely help your portfolio out. How does it feel if you have all your investment in altcoin and there is a sharp drop in the value, i.e. prices, while Bitcoin is either stable or increase in value? This is where altcoin season index comes in, as it helps work out when is the optimal time to be in Bitcoin and the optimal time to be in altcoins. This altcoin season index explains why some veterans measure the success of altcoin trade against Bitcoin, as Bitcoin is seen as the benchmark of the market. So if altcoin outperforms Bitcoin, it's seen to have outperformed the market and vice versa. Very useful when it comes to balancing the blend of altcoins and Bitcoin in a portfolio. The index is made up of a score of 0 to 100. What is an altcoin season? This happens if 75% of the top 50 coins performed better than Bitcoin over the last season, 90 days. It is referred to as altcoin season. What is an altcoin month? This happens if 75% of the top 50 coins performed better than Bitcoin over the last 30 days. It is referred to as altcoin month. What is an altcoin year? This happens if 75% of the top 50 coins performed better than Bitcoin over the last year. It is referred to as altcoin year. When the Bitcoin index is under 25, you may consider buying. At this point, you might want to consider having some Bitcoin in your portfolio, as the price is fairly low here. In the same vein, if the altcoin index is 25, you may consider buying some altcoin. Number 12. CryptoQuant. This data analytics website gives you graphical visualizations for BTC, ETH, stablecoins and altcoin fund flows. It's useful as it gives you a better understanding of what other people are doing in the market. So, if a ton of people are sending crypto to an exchange, it's reasonable to assume they are going to sell. That data can be a useful indicator to help you anticipate those market moves. Exchange inflow is defined as an amount of coin deposited into the exchange wallets. Exchange outflow is defined as an amount of coin withdrawn out of the exchange wallets. Exchange net flow is the difference between BTC flowing into and out of the exchange. Inflow, outflow equals net flow. What does this mean? Indicating selling or buying pressure. An increase of inflow to exchanges possibly means dumping from individual wallets, including whales, indicating selling pressure. On the other hand, an increase of outflow from exchanges possibly means an increase of HODL positions of traders in order to store coins in their own wallets, indicating buying pressure. Number 13. 3 commas. This tool is for crypto traders out there. The 3 commas community have created a pretty useful back-testing tool to check how a trading strategy would have fared using historical price data. You can also use the paper trading function to test your strategy in real time too. The 3 commas as a cryptocurrency management platform provides access to a number of tools designed to improve overall trading efficiency and effectiveness. The tool is designed to help minimize investors' risks, and limit their exposure to losses, while also maximizing their profits. Central to the service provided, is the 3 commas trading bot, which operates as a web-based service and works in conjunction with a number of devices and exchanges. There are currently over 33,000 traders using the service. And the platform handles over $10 million of daily trading volume, and the trading bot currently works with approximately 12 exchanges including Coinbase, GDAX, Binance, Bitfinex, and Huobi. Another cool feature of 3 commas is that in addition to performance analytics, users are able to create, analyze and backtest crypto portfolios and monitor the best performing portfolios created by other users. Number 14. Bybit. Launched in March 2018 on British Virgin Island. It has more than 1 million registered users and focuses on experienced traders. Bybit is easy to use and has a user-friendly interface. It can handle 100,000 transactions per second. Bybit is touted to have one of the transparent, trustworthy, and efficient trading platforms. It uses strong technology to make the entire trading process secure and smooth. You can leverage 100x margin using Bybit, at the same time its insurance funds secure trades and cover their losses. Number 15. TradingView. This is a cloud-based charting and social networking platform. It can be used to see how some of the top crypto experts are positioning their portfolio and what they are forecasting. It incorporates extensive cloud-based charting tools for research and gives users the ability to share and collaborate with other active traders online. The downside is that most large brokerages are not yet directly integrated with TradingView, so you'll have to place trades separately with your brokerage of choice. Research is the key to success in the crypto market, so spend a little time on each tool and decide which ones are best for you. Your research will be the difference between making a quick buck and losing money. If you found value in today's video, be sure to subscribe to our channel for a more in-depth walkthrough of each of the platforms discussed here. Feel free to indicate in the comment below which you want us to start with.